Introducing the 5 best bandsaws for woodworking. As a content writer expert, I understand the importance of having the right tools in your arsenal when it comes to woodworking. A bandsaw can be a game changer, offering precision, versatility, and efficiency for woodworkers of all levels. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this comprehensive list of the best bandsaws will guide you in making an informed decision for your woodworking needs. Explore the top-notch features, cutting capacity, durability, and value for money that these carefully selected bandsaws offer, ensuring that your woodworking projects reach new heights of excellence. There are many products available to choose the best bandsaws for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best bandsaws for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. WEN 9-inch Bandsaw. The WEN 9-inch bandsaw is a powerful and versatile tool, perfect for any woodworking enthusiast. With its 2.8 amp motor, this benchtop bandsaw can rotate the blade up to 2,500 feet per minute, allowing you to create cuts up to 3.5 inches deep and 9 inches wide. The spacious work table bevels up to 45 degrees, providing you with even more cutting options. This bandsaw also comes with a variety of useful features including a dust port, rip fence, miter gauge, adjustable blade guard, and a 2-year warranty. It is easy to assemble and use, making it a great addition to any workshop. Overall, the WEN 9-inch bandsaw offers excellent performance and value for its price. The WEN 9-inch bandsaw is an excellent choice for woodworking enthusiasts who need a versatile tool at an affordable price. It offers great performance and accuracy for its size, making intricate cuts a breeze. Although some users have reported minor issues with the adjustable guide and table leveling screw, overall it is a reliable and durable bandsaw. The inclusion of various accessories and a 2-year warranty adds further value to this product. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, the WEN 9-inch bandsaw is definitely worth considering. Number 2. SKil 2.8 amp 9-in. 2-speed benchtop bandsaw. The SKil 2.8 amp 9-in. 2-speed benchtop bandsaw is a powerful and well-made tool that is perfect for woodworking projects. With its 2.8 amp induction motor, this bandsaw can rip through a variety of wood materials with ease. It features a 2-speed drive system that allows for tool-free belt tensioning, as well as quick blade tension, setting for clean cuts. The precision ball bearing and lower blade guides ensure consistent tracking for accurate cutting performance. The rack and pinion table adjustment makes quick angle adjustments, while the dust port accepts standard 2 1/2-inch vacuum hoses, minimizing dust in the work area. The bandsaw also comes with a miter gauge to guide the workpiece when making crosscuts and a steel base to stabilize the saw. The blade tracking sight window allows for cutting with greater accuracy. Overall, the SKil 2.8 amp 9-in. 2-speed benchtop bandsaw is a high-quality tool that provides excellent value for the money. The SKil 2.8 amp 9-in. 2-speed benchtop bandsaw is a solid choice for both beginner and experienced woodworkers. While it may have some minor design flaws and lower durability compared to older SKil products, it still offers great performance and value for the price. The powerful motor, easy tensioning and blade setting, and accurate cutting performance make it a reliable tool for various woodworking projects. The inclusion of a dust port and miter gauge further enhance its functionality. However, potential buyers should be aware of the packaging issues and consider if the plastic parts and lower power are suitable for their needs. Overall, the SKil benchtop bandsaw delivers on its promises and is a worthwhile investment for those looking for a versatile and affordable woodworking tool. Number 3. Delta 28 to 414 inches 1 HP steel frame bandsaw. The Delta 28 to 414 inches 1 HP steel frame bandsaw is a heavy-duty tool designed for long-lasting durability. Its steel frame design reduces flexing and features a superior finish. The 1 HP motor has 2 speeds, allowing for wood and non-ferrous metal cutting. The pulley has an easy tensioning system, making it convenient to use. The aluminium wheels are rubber-coated and balanced for superior blade tracking. The precision ground cast iron table is oversized and tiltable, providing versatility for various cutting tasks. Overall, this bandsaw is a powerful and durable tool that delivers excellent performance. The Delta 28 to 414 inches 1 HP steel frame bandsaw is a reliable and sturdy tool that will provide years of use. Its heavy-duty steel frame and powerful motor make it suitable for cutting wood and non-ferrous metals. The easy tensioning system and precision ground cast iron table add to its convenience and versatility. Although it has some minor drawbacks, such as the guide not being perfectly parallel to the blade and the absence of accessories, these can be easily addressed. Overall, this bandsaw offers excellent value for its price and is highly recommended for both hobbyists and professionals. Number 4. Woodskil 3A 9-inch bandsaw. The Woodskil 3A 9-inch bandsaw is a powerful and efficient tool for woodworking. With its low-noise induction motor and high blade speed, it provides clean and accurate cuts. The bandsaw features a sturdy cast aluminium table with multi-angle capabilities, allowing for versatile cutting. It also has a double safety switch and a sturdy steel base for stability and security. The saw comes with a 2-year warranty and is backed by Woodskil's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. The Woodskil 3A 9-inch bandsaw is a reliable and versatile tool for woodworking. It offers powerful and efficient cutting performance with the ability to make accurate and multi-angle cuts. The double safety switch and sturdy steel base ensure safety and stability during use. While some users have reported issues with straight cuts and non-standard table guide slots, the overall performance and value of this bandsaw make it a great choice for those looking for a compact and efficient woodworking tool. Number 5. Jet JWB10 Woodworking Bandsaw. The Jet JWB10 Woodworking Bandsaw is a compact benchtop saw that offers easy transportation to different shop locations. It is an ideal starter saw, capable of handling smaller cut applications and suitable for scroll sawing. The upper and lower cast iron frame provides increased rigidity, while the Poly V belt drive system reduces vibration. The bandsaw also features a 13/1/8 x 13/3/8 cast iron table with retractable extension wing, providing additional work support. Backed by Jet's industry-leading 5-year warranty, the Jet JWB10 offers a reliable and versatile option for woodworking enthusiasts. The Jet JWB10 Woodworking Bandsaw offers a compact and portable option for woodworking enthusiasts. While some customers have reported missing parts and alignment issues, the bandsaw generally performs well for smaller cut applications and scroll sawing. It provides increased rigidity and reduced vibration for improved stability. The additional work support and retractable extension wing are also valuable features. Backed by Jet's industry-leading warranty, this bandsaw is a reliable choice for hobbyists or those with small shops. However, it may be worth considering other options if you require a more powerful saw or if precision cutting is essential. Overall, the Jet JWB10 offers good value and performance for its price range. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.